In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share games on Steam. We'll walk through creating your Steam family, inviting people, confirming membership, and finding and playing shared games, all in a clear, straightforward flow so you can start enjoying each other's libraries with confidence. Start by opening the Steam client. In the top right, click your profile name and choose Account Details. From there, go to Family Management. This is your hub for everything related to sharing. Click Create a Family and enter a group name that everyone will recognize. As the creator, you automatically become an adult with admin rights, which means you can manage members and roles. Think of this as setting up your home base before anyone joins. Next, invite the people you want in your family. Still in Family Management, click Invite Member. You can pick directly from your friends list or generate a code to share with someone you trust. Before sending the invite, choose a role for each person. Adults have full access and can help manage the family, while child accounts include parental controls for safer, more limited access. Pick what fits each member's needs, then send the invite. When someone receives an invite, they'll see a notification in their Steam inbox. They should accept it, then sign in on a household PC and confirm their membership by going to Account Details and opening Family Management. To finish linking, they'll verify via the email link Steam sends. Once that verification is done, shared libraries appear automatically. If anything looks delayed, give it a moment to sync. To access shared games, open your Steam library. In the sidebar, you'll see the Family Library section, which shows eligible games from your family. These entries are clearly marked, including the copy count. You can install and play from there just like any other title. Keep in mind that if your family owns multiple copies of a game, several members can play at the same time. If there's only one copy, only one person can play that title at once. That limitation is normal and helps avoid conflicts. Not every game supports family sharing due to publisher restrictions or third-party DRM, so check the Game Store page for family sharing support if you don't see it in the family library. Also, some content like certain DLC or region-limited items may not share across accounts. And that's it, thanks for watching.